Okay, so now we want to add multiple photos to our, well, access to take multiple pictures with our camera to our app. So I've just created a blank app. We need to load up our camera folder and our camera project, and in there we've got two different ones, a camera one and a photo one. You'll notice that they're basically the same except for one little difference. So if you're doing multiples, the easiest way to do that is first of all copy the camera view, paste that, Control C and then Control V into your storyboard, and then do the same with your photo view controller. Control C, Control V, and of course we'll need our button segues. So let's call camera 1 camera 2, and we link between the two of those with our normal segue. Control drag show, and our back, Control drag show, and the second one, Control drag show, and back again. And then we need to copy our two Swift files in. We're copying in both the photo view. Where are we? Let's just drag that over there so we get a slightly better. We need to copy our photo view controller in, and we also need to copy our camera view controller in. And then if we want the camera, we need to go to our photo view controller and change photo view controller to .camera, and that means both of those will access the camera, remembering that you can't do that in the simulator. If you wanted to make two photo libraries, we do exactly the same, but we change our camera one to photo library. Where are we? There we are. Photo library. What that will do is mean we now have two photos that can be saved. So if we run that, we can take now two photos. First one, take photo. Now this will ask for access to the photos. Remember, if you want the camera, you just need to change photo library to camera. And camera 2, let's set it as a different one, and we should be able to now flick between the two, and they're now permanently stored. If you want to add more than two cameras to your app, the best way to do that is to watch the video coding cameras, and as you go through and code another one, changing all your file names. So instead of image saved, it'll be image saved 2, camera view controller 2, print selected image 2, your file name will be picked image 2. As you continue down, this one would be picked image 2.png. So all of those will be changed. Image saved becomes image saved 2. So if you adjust all of those variables and follow the coding in that video, you can then add more. But if you just copy and paste them in, they'll overwrite each other because they're trying to save the pictures in exactly the same memory space. So each time you go to a new camera, it will just overwrite what was saved by the previous one. So to add 2 is really simple. To add 3, you're going to have to go through the coding to actually do that, and just change the names of all of the variables as you go.